guys, welcome back to another video. I said I wasn't going to upload a lot, but I am. I just decided, I don't know how to, not use this finger. Go see the other video. But I'm going to be showing you guys my squishy collection. As you can see, is right here. So, let's just get into the video. Alright, so, let me just set my camera up. Alright, let me just set it up here. Oops. Make sure it's going. Alright, so here we go. And, sorry, this whole setup is kind of weird. And so basically, we're going to be doing this right now. And, okay, so the first squishy I have here is this one, and basically, what I did, I ripped this one apart because there was, a part of it that, wasn't really good when I bought it. So, it's still a squishy, it's still a scented, and it's actually a really good squishy, if you ask me. And it's really, slow rising, too. And then the next squishy I have, hang on, my TV messed up, I'm sorry. Okay, the next squishy I have is this one, and this is an ice cream one. It's pretty slow rising, and it's scented. And it actually smells like strawberry right here. I think this is strawberry. And it's not defects, it's just detail. It kind of defects and details sound like the same thing. But this is not defects. This is details. Details. So, yeah. Okay, sorry. Alright, the next one I have this panda one inside of the ice cream cone. I don't know if this is I think this is the ice cream part and then the panda part. I'm a little squishy, ooh, I'm a little squishy, ooh, I'm a little squishy, ooh, ooh, I'm a little squishy, ooh, 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 I'm a little squishy, ooh, 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 I'm a little squishy, ooh, ooh, ooh. Anyway, yeah. I'm a little squishy, ooh, 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 I'm a little squishy, ooh, 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 I'm a little squishy, ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, yeah. I'm a little squishy, ooh, 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 I'm a little squishy, ooh, ooh, ooh. And I had this poop emoji one, because the emojis are, the poop emoji is my favorite. It smells like vanilla. I don't know why, because it's chocolate. Get it? Sorry. Love. Oh, I like doing that. Get it? Smashed in the face by poo. Okay, that's disgusting. Sorry about that. And then I have this, and this is super slow rising. Look, okay, so hold on, let me just make it. Okay, so you know how it is right now. It's normal, and then you put it. I'm gonna put it, squish it, and look how it is. It's really slow rising. It takes a while to rise back up too. That's how slow rising it is. And then I have this one, and this one's a total bust off, if you ask me. So we're not going to show that one. I don't like playing with it. This one I made myself. Well, I didn't make it, but I painted it myself, and I bought it and painted it by myself. It's kind of crappy, but you know. And then I have this eyeball. Has some spots in it, though. Okay. Then I have this one. I think this is my last squishy. I made this one by myself. Well, I didn't make it by myself, but I did it as the same one. I painted it myself. All right. That's all my squishies, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna do that again. Okay, over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So I have 9 squishies in total. I don't have a lot of squishies, but I do have slime too. I will do that in one of my videos. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.